windy, so if you can't hear me properly, that'd be why. And it's also like kind of drizzly, and where it's windy, it like blows in your face. So yay, that's annoying.
What are you doing though? I wish they were doing it near Lola, because that would have been more. She's done. She's not impressed. Not impressed.
I just got back from the gym. Now I'm gonna have a snack, so I've got some fruit, and the rest of this smoothie that is like nearly gone. I finished my fruit and my smoothie, and now I am going to get in my pajamas, and I'm probably gonna wear a onesie because I'm cold. I'm gonna get in my pajamas, edit some vlogs because I need to catch up. I have an exam tomorrow. Oh gosh, I haven't opened my calendar in a while. I'm gonna open my calendar once I'm in my pajamas. Now it's time to open the calendar. So, okay, so I need to do number 6. This is all. Oh, it's a bar. Get it up now. I can get it out. It's a little brush. I think this is going to be like a highlighter or like a bronzer or something, or a blush. Got it out, and it says it's an anti-shine balm. I have no idea what that means. I'm currently now shopping for stuff for my 16th birthday party, and this website is so good. Like, literally, you can find loads of stuff that you need. It's so good. I wish this was a sponsorship, but it's not. But yeah, I'm shopping for things, and yeah, it's going quite well. I'm going to show it to my mum in the morning, and then she's going to tell me what she thinks. Look how cute my room looks. With my fairy lights on. Got my rainbow ones over here. And then I've got my red ones over here. So cute. Okay, so it's 10 o'clock now, and I'm going to end the vlog here because I'm going to go to sleep because I have an exam tomorrow. Yay! Joys. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Good morning, I'm in the park and it is so cold, and I had a shower this morning, so my hair is wet, very wet, and yeah, just ignore my face, it's so cold, but no, there's somewhere, there's somewhere. I have an exam today, this morning, so wish me luck. I feel like I need to rest.
Where is the bear emoji? There's a bear emoji.